Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red. This is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Going to unbox it and take a quick look at it. So drop a comment if you have any questions. Leave a like if you enjoy the content. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell and get all the notifications for the new videos. Okay, so the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So what we're going to look at today is features, the user interface, and see what changes iPhone has brought us and what new stuff they have for us with the 11 Pro Max. We're going to take a look at the gaming capability of it and see what all we can see. And this is an unboxing, so it will not be an in-depth look. We will just skim over the surface because it is just an unboxing. So let's get to it. Okay, so here it is, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. 64 gig version. This is what Cricket Wireless will be featuring. Again, check your local retailer for pricing and availability. Looky there. Isn't it? So, it's a pretty box, but honestly that camera design's a little weird. There it is. Yeah, that's definitely a new design for a camera. It's very heavy. Wow, yes it is. So, there's your device. Your nice little manual, charging block, and looky, your earbuds. Look, there's a cord. Regular old earbuds, and your lightning cable. So these do not come with AirPods. These are earbuds. Let's take a look at the hardware. This is my little buddy. We're going to see in just a second what that does. Alright. You ready? You ready to take the plastic off? There we go. Oh, the back is nice and smooth. It's not your glass back that you find on a lot of iPhones. This is going to be a lot more durable, I think. Yeah, definitely more durable. It feels very solid. It's very heavy. I don't think I've ever held, no, never held a phone quite this heavy. So there you've got your do not disturb, your volume rocker. You're going to see your antenna bands there. And on the top, you've got your speaker, your camera, and note that there is no front flash. So you're going to be seeing a screen flash as with other iPhones. Down here you've got dual speakers and your microphone, another antenna band, and your charging port. SIM slot right here, and the power key. On the back, check out those cameras. Wow. And then there's your flash. Still, I just can't get over how heavy this is. Wow. It's a very, very solid design though. So let's get this sucker set up. Okay, in order to get the glare off of the screen of this fantastic device, I've got it turned a little weird. Bear with me. Opening it up, and this is set to dark mode. I prefer dark mode, so I'm going to give this a shot. I have put my iCloud on it. And now let's take a look at the basics. You have all your basic iPhone stuff here. Notice there is Apple TV already added to it for you. GarageBand, iMovie, of course, Pages, basic stuff. So let's take a look. Photos. And these are my iCloud pictures. That is my lovely daughter on her trip to the beach. We're going to get to the camera. Calendar. Okay, so we brightened it up a little bit, and it still looks like, you know, your basic iPhone stuff. So let's see if there's anything new. No. Your clock, that's where your alarm clocks are going to be. Your maps. Weather. I don't care about the weather in Cupertino. I don't know why they do that. Reminders. Welcome to Reminders. And here's what's new there. You get the point. Basic iPhone stuff. Let's play a little game. I want to take a look at... Okay. First thing I've noticed, this thing's really loud. We're going to turn it down. The second thing I noticed, Angry Birds asked for access to my camera. This is why. Look at there. Check it out. Place the camera towards a non-reflective, textured, and level surface. Like the... it's out of the way. Oh, there we go. The carpet. Oh, check it out. Angle and distance. Oh. This is cool. Tap to place level. Can you flip it over and do it that way? Oh, yeah, there we go. That's better. Okay. Nice. This is so cool. Oh, wow. Check it out. Now I can get down on some Angry Birds. This is just too cool. It's AR Angry Birds on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's do another one. Nice. Let's take a look at the camera. Okay, so that's the 11 Pro Max. What do y'all think about it? Drop a comment down there, let me know. And as always, I do not include pricing and availability in my videos. Contact your local retailer for pricing and availability, or Apple and buy it unlocked. Specs rolling right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel, and get all the notifications for the new videos when you ring my bell.